right now in Arizona, and you don't know what just came. The camera. Just to let you guys know, I bought this camera with my own money. I literally spent all my money on it, like literally all of my money that I've spent, like saved for birthdays, like everything was gone to this camera, and I bought it myself, so I'm really proud of that. And also I bought like a bundle on Amazon. It's like cheaper than the camera itself. The camera itself costs like $599, but the bundle I got, it costed like $499 for the camera and also for like accessories. So yeah, I'll link the actual camera that I got down below. Okay guys, I'm literally so excited right now. So I'm gonna unbox everything in the box. So first, this is like a little bag for the camera. Okay. Here's like a tripod for the camera. I'm not gonna take it out right now. Next, this is, I don't know, an SD card holder. I'm not really sure, but next, this is like a little like cleaning thing for the camera. Next, this is like another cleaning kit for the camera. I'm pretty sure. It's like, yeah, it's cleaning. This is like a flash card. What? It's like a flash drive USB thing. I don't know, for the camera, I guess. Here's two 16 gigabyte SD cards. Here's this plug. I don't know what it is for, but. And next we have the camera. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my. This doesn't even feel real. It's like unreal. But like, yeah, here's the camera. Okay, I'm gonna open this right now. Oh my god. I'm going crazy right now. If you guys don't know who this is my little sister. Here's charging cable, I think. Here's a battery for the camera. Here's like a charging kit for the camera. I'll unwrap these after. Oh, here's like a little strap for the camera. And now, oh my god, the moment of truth. Look, the camera's in here. Oh, it's so, you guys don't know how excited I am. Okay. Oh my god. Here's the camera. This feels like crazy. I'm gonna let the battery charge and then I'm gonna turn it on. Right now I have the battery charging right here. And so basically I'm just waiting until it's done. And then we can turn on the camera. Okay, so I had to wait till the morning to show the camera like quality because it was getting too dark. But this is the iPhone. This is the Canon G7x. Which one do you like better? Like let's do like little. That's how it is. Comment down below which one you like better. Okay, so now I'm just on this one and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to be my Katherine friend and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.